Right, here we are again, just a brief update on the roller, as I'm just doing functional jobs at the moment. So I've made up a new scraper bar assembly. These can be cut out. These actually scrapers which bolt onto there, and will be fully adjustable, cut the slots. The weather hasn't been too good to progress this job over the last few days, so I've just been grabbing some time where I can. So this is an update. I've sorted out the rear tail lights and indicators. I'm putting a work light, that's just a test one at the moment, no faults in major casing, just to see what it looks going to look like. I've been down there, I've drained the rolls, they were full of water, so that's reduced the weight a little bit. So that's a good way of losing weight. These, the originals, are being modified slightly. It's not going to be a lot of difference because of the flimsiness and the poor electrical conductivity. So they will be replaced by this indicator tail light, and it looks like, I just checked the cable now, it looks like it used to be a headlight there of some sort, but it's a tail light indicator light. Carried a few bad earths, so we got the indicators going. So obviously I can't do the other side yet because it's not connected up. The indicators are going. Also got the side lights working. These are new, brand new aftermarket fittings. As you can see, they'll do the job. They're quite cheap, only £7 for the pair. Take standard bulbs, lamps. So that job is taking shape. But unfortunately the weather's been against me, and obviously been working all last week and I got nights next week, so as you can see she's starting to take shape. Planning to do some welding along the base of the cab. We removed the back window, got new rubbers for that. As I said, I drained the water out the rear rolls yesterday. As you can see, I found this plug actually. It's a proper plug which is used to undo the plugs, plug spanner to undo the plugs. So that's been drained. Got some springs I found in stock, which is bloody full of water. For the brake pedal, just knock the lights off. And that's it for now. She's taking shape, but as I say, been beaten with the work commitments and the weather. But I picked these aftermarket lights up as well, pair them, fixed to the cut-off original rubber, fixed with metal lock so they won't work loose, solid as a rock, much more solid than the original idea, but looks the same. As you can see, there's a massive difference with this side, and that's why you kept blowing lamps and fuses. It's not solid enough, so that's an improvement. So any improvements are good things. So till next time.